In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mautic automation. We'll build a simple campaign that automatically sends an email to a targeted audience, and along the way, I'll point out a few best practices to keep everything clean and reliable. First, open your Mautic login page, sign in with your email and password, then click Login. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the Campaigns area. This is where all your automated workflows live. Create a new campaign by clicking New. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can recognize it later, and add a short description that states the goal, like who it targets and what it sends. When that looks good, click Save. Next, launch the Campaign Builder. Mautic will ask for a contact source. You can start a campaign from a campaign form submission or from existing contact segments. For this walkthrough, choose Segments, then select the segment you've already created with your target recipients. Click Add to attach that segment to your campaign. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first step. Mautic offers 3 node types: decisions, actions, and conditions. Because we want to send an email, choose Action and then select Send Email. Now configure the email action. Start with an internal name for the email action so it's easy to spot in reports and the builder. Choose when to execute the event. Immediately is typical for a welcome or announcement, but you can delay it if needed. Next, select the actual email to send from your existing emails. Use the drop-down to pick the correct one. You'll also choose the email type. Select transactional for one-to-one messages like confirmations and receipts that shouldn't respect marketing preferences, or marketing for promotional and newsletter content that should follow subscription settings and throttling. Set a priority level to help Mautic order events when multiple actions are scheduled around the same time. Then configure the number of attempts. This tells Mautic how many times to retry sending if there's a temporary issue. When everything is set, click Add to place the action on your canvas. From here, you can stop with a simple one email campaign or expand the flow with additional actions and conditions, such as delays, follow-ups, or branching based on engagement. When you're satisfied, click Save to store your campaign changes. That's it, a clean, working Mautic automation that targets a specific segment and sends the right email at the right time. Before scaling up, double check your segment filters, email content, and timing, and when you're ready, build on this foundation with decisions and conditions to personalize the journey.